What's up YouTube? Seth here with Throttle Addiction. Today we're going to be showing off some seat options, Sissy Bar options, what we got, where they're made, how they're made for your 86 to 2003 Sportsters. All right, so first of all, we got our seat situation. This is our king and queen seat. We also have a smaller Cobra seat available. Both of these are available in pleated and diamond stitched pattern on the back. Made 100% right here in the USA. The pans, the foam, the covers, everything made and assembled right here in the USA. These seats fit 1986 to 2003 Sportsters. Really simple installation. You're just undoing your original seat bolt, sliding it on there. It's got a groove up in the front where it fits just like your OEM seat. So real simple installation. Sissy Bar options. We have these are our direct fit Sissy Bars, so they go over our blinker. No need to take any of that stuff off. You're literally just taking your 1-2 bolts on each side out, sliding it down over, putting those bolts back with the existing hardware, and you're good to go there. Tall options available, short options available. You got to run the tall one if you have the king and queen for the sport there. We do have them in powder coated black or just raw if you want to do your own thing, get it chromed, polish it, rattle can it, whatever. Sissy Bars fit 1994 to 2003 Sportster year models. For all your 100% made in the USA seats and Sissy Bar options, as well as thousands of other chopper, Harley, British motorcycle parts, throttleaddiction.com.